I dey pass now see am I say how una carry dey do this thing like this.
We learn it for our forefathers.
Okay, learn am from una forefathers.
Yeah, not the learning for school.
My brother, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I dey pass now see where una dey do this cloth wey I tie like this. I come see say una dey do am for here.
Yeah.
Okay, wetin be your name?
My name is Uto Moses.
Wetin?
Uto Moses.
Uto Moses.
Yeah.
Okay. This thing na una traditional cloth ba?
Yes.
And na the work wey you dey do? Na the work wey you dey do?
Yeah, na my work where they do.
So na dey produce all these clothes there?
Yeah.
Even all these ones wey dey like this? All these ones?
Yeah, that one is complete one.
Na which one?
Complete one. The full one.
Wrapper?
Yeah.
Okay, this one na the full wrapper.
If you buy that one, man will fit tight am. Then woman will fit tight for waist and tie.
Okay, this one big pass this one wide. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah. What of this one?
That one, this one na wrapper. The head there up there.
This one I see una traditional clothes.
No, this one Bekwara cloth for cross river.
Okay, for cross river.
Yeah, we dey do traditional all the tribe were there for here in Nigeria.
Okay, na do for all the tribe.
Yeah.
Okay, na here they produce am.
Yeah, if we bring the picture, we see it and produce the cloth for you.
So this one is for cross river.
Yeah.
Which one again be another tribe here?
That one with
This one.
the first one.
This one.
Down one.
Okay, this one now.
That one I get it.
This one na Igede.
Yeah, I get it.
Oh, and I see una dey do am.
Yeah, I dey do one.
What of this one?
That one our own tip culture. Apart from that two I show you that all of them are our own culture. And that our real one be now that one, that black and white. That yeah, this one. That other one, yeah, this one. That other one, any culture can buy it.
Okay, but this one is the real culture of thief.
Yeah.
How do you do this thing? Let me see how you do it. Now so you go do until you go complete full wrapper.
Yeah. I will fit produce a 4 wrapper in one day myself.
Okay, in one day produce 4 wrapper.
Yeah.
How na they know the measurement?
Before we come to this one with the measure it, we have a mark. The mark there around here. Let me show you the mark. We put the mark for.
Okay, now they know where na mark am.
Yeah, the mark there inside. If we reach the mark, we know say we don't reach the place where.
For full measurement for full wrapper.
Yeah. I don't sign yet, but the mark there inside here. We put the mark for white like this.
Okay, see am for there. Now it be that.
No. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now the mark be that one now. Okay. Okay, if we reach there, I go know say na full wrapper.
Yeah. Then we will jump am. If we meet, we will jump and start for up. So that after finishing it, we will cut it. Yeah.
How many days? Like how many they produce for a day?
4.
4 wrapper.
Yeah.
How much I say 1 wrapper?
It depends. The thick one, we do it thick one and light one. That thick one, na 15,000. The light one, 10,000.
So the thick one I be the original one. When I dey carry on at time, they do am.
Yeah.
I dey pass now. I see am. I say So now here they produce this wrapper wey I dey see. Even other tribe I dey see them. So for Nigeria na only una dey do am.
No, not the only way we do it. All the tribes they are doing it, but we here in Benue State, if you come, this is a Boko, the capital of Chief. So now we will do it.
You know una say na this una dey do.
Yeah.
And the rope no dey even miss sef.
Even this one we will do it. We go the bar rope for market. Can't do this thing for our own.
Can't do this one by myself.
Yeah. This one we do it for ourselves. This one we do it for ourselves.
Even this one.
One of them we do it for hand. That is why we call it hand work.
Okay, that is what I call a handwork.
No more engine here.
No more engine.
Yeah.
Everything a handmade.
Yeah.
Even this one will be like this one. Like,
The gear. After doing this, you see, I will do like this. Then that one will come.
Okay, that one for them will come down.
And then this thing will roll on here.
Okay, no need to dey stand up, go dey drag and they come. This one, wetin come be the work of this one dey your leg?
Now this thing we call it. If you use it as we call it a pedal. Now this thing go. If you place like this thing go come out, go move up.
This one stand like this one for machine, for sewing machine. That one wey dey match for leg. Now this one now stand for that one.
If you place like this, you see this one go down, but this one come up. Then the place there here. You carry this one, put it inside. Then if you place like this, the place
Hey, na real handwork o. I dey pass now see am, I say how una carry dey do this thing like this? Hey.
We learn it for our forefathers.
Okay, learn am from una forefathers.
Yeah, we no dey learn it for school. For our forefathers.
You no dey learn am for school.
And now our traditional kings maker don't talk say make them fix this thing inside school so that everybody will in one know am go learn am.
Why you carry learn your own?
I tell you say I learn am from my forefathers. The time where I dey village with my father, then they do it. So I learn. So now I become my oga myself, and I have my boys. What they do?
Now you got these boys wey dey here.
Yeah.
Now you got these boys wey dey here.
Yeah, I mean.
Hey, how long you don do this thing? Like how many years now?
Why? It reach 25 years.
Yeah, at least 25 years.
Yeah.
How many boys wey don train inside?
More than 50.
Yeah. More than 50 boys.
Yeah.
This is interesting.
If we go North Bank, you see my boys there. If you go Abuja, you see my boys there. If you go Jaren, my boys there. If you go Adipo Shongo, my boys there.
You need work for your hand.
Yeah.
This is our forefathers that they use to sew the clothes that they wear in olden days. Oh, you say this now represents the machine what they use now for the olden days time.
Yeah.
Don't work.
Thank you.
Now the same this method where they sew this one, I tell they sew this other one. Where show me.
Yeah.
This one.
No, that one is very different. That one we sew it for plain white like this. We sew it plain white. After that we tight it and dye it. We call it tight and dye.
Tie and dye.
Yeah. Okay. We use dye for do that one.
When you don't sew and finish, you will come dye.
Yeah. That one, if you buy it, you no go wash for yourself unless you bring it for us.
Okay, now only na the washer.
Yeah, if you wash it for yourself, the thing will condemn.
But if you not wash, I know condemn.
Yeah, we will know how to wash it.
That's where buy am. If you don't dirty, you can come here.
Yeah, you can't come here. The handwork now.
Now your handwork with that. Yeah. So now you dey sew the clothes, they no go wash for their hands. They carry come give you, you go wash am. When the person they buy, you go tell am.
Yeah, if you buy them. If you buy, will tell you. If you go wash them for yourself, this thing spoil and use it, then you lost your money. You carry and come give us, pay us money, we wash them for you.
Even if they smell, make you carry and come.
No, they smell.
The person don't wear that way, don't dirty now.
It take long. Before you wash that thing, at least 4 or 5 years before you wash them.
Before you wash them?
Yeah. But these other ones, you still wash them for yourself. This one and that black and white. Yeah, you feel wash them for yourself. That one you feel wash them for yourself. All of them you feel wash them for yourself. But that black and that one where they're up there.
If you tie this, you go on at that time, mass.
Okay.
How na dey take time? Make I see how na dey take time.
Like woman.
Like man, man. Tradition, yes so. Since you don resemble food.
Yeah.
Okay, na be the full wrapper now.
Yeah. I thought of all this.
But the short one na be this one wey I tie now like
Short
this.
one, for woman one, but you go roll am like this.
That's for mama.
Yeah, this is for mama.
But for young girl now.
Then we'll come out the tie here. Then tie am for her.
For her.
Yeah.
But the young girl they go dance more.
Young girl, you remove half.
Okay, you remove half.
And half of this one. The thing they here 6 pieces.
Okay, for this place where you attach am.
They 6 pieces. Then you remove 3 pieces for waist. Then 2 for her tie. Same, but this is for young girl. Same.
Well done. Well done. Okay. Okay, now this one they tie for her now.
Yeah.
They will come tie for head. Like this one the tie.
So the thing fine for your head.
The fine. I don't tie complete like this now. Okay. That is smart thing though. Hey, culture. And I only una dey sew am here like this.
Yeah, now.
Take me round now, ma visit your boys them.
Alright.
Let's go round. Okay. Really handwork. Okay, now see now they do this one. Now the cap.
The cap, this one. This one a cap.
My brother, well done.
Thank you.
Well done work.
Thank you.
For this one.
Yeah, that one there white.
Okay, they add white.
Yeah, the black there white.
Okay, it's white.
That one we call it Ange Chengigbe.
Ange Chengigbe.
Yeah. That one a real traditional cloth. That one and this one a real one.
Okay, this one and this one I mean the real one.
Yeah.
And I see them do all these ones. This one plenty. Hey. This is interesting.
See the colors.
Yeah, this one too they different. And I see you not try to get this one.
Yeah.
Even this one they different.
We call this one Muloti.
Muloti.
Yeah.
This one come.
This one we will call it Chateau.
Chateau.
Yeah. As I show you this one angry. That is all.
All of them get different name.
This is the thread where we use do this.
Yeah,
the thread where we use.
But it no be like wool.
Now wool.
Who they do here?
Yeah. Wool we buy do it. So this thing if we do this thing for it, you no go fair. You feel wash them for yourself.
Yes.
But that old ones, we do it in a tight and die. So we prefer this one past that old ones.
Now this big one they use until it remains small like this.
Yeah.
Okay, now the one they don't use remain be this one.
This one the one where we use and remain.
What is it doing like? What thing they do?
Now to cut it like this.
Okay,
if we cut it,
now.
if we cut it, we'll go join it to complete a lapper.
Now this one I don't complete full wrapper now.
Yeah. See the space where so. Then
The mat now.
yeah. We cut it small pieces like this.
Okay, you cut all of them pieces like this, then you now join in 6 pieces.
Yeah. If we cut this thing 6, the complete wrapper and header.
Okay, cut and 6 now complete wrapper.
Yeah, the full one.
I didn't know the measurements. Now can I see?
We measure it now. We have the sign. You will see the mark here. See how the mark is. Even this one, see the mark.
Where that place wey say they put they never complete too. This one I see 3.
The other one there. If we carry the thread, then we will roll it like this. How to arrange them? You see, that one with the.
Now that one thread everybody they use.
Yeah, the black and white now. They use black and white.
Now how many they there?
This is 2. No, 3.
This one are 4 now.
Yeah, 4.
This one are 5 now.
Yeah, this is the
Okay, this is complete rapana.
This one, yeah, the full one.
This one is a complete rapana.
Yeah, if we saw it, we'll get the complete wrapper.
May you go now so that you show me how they place the rope today.
Okay, now we'll follow.
Hey, well done work. Oh.
This is the starting. We start here, then end here. If we start here,
Start here,
yeah,
end here.
yeah, we start here, end here. You see how the thing round. How to now the first turn with this one. If we do this one first, then after this one we go arrange for this one.
Okay, don't carry and go arrange for you.
Yeah, can and go arrange here. Then we start weaving.
You dey count how many way they here, I mean how many way like they put.
Now how you want the cloth will be thick, you put an inside.
If you want thick, you put them in.
You want thick, you put like 200. You want the light one, you put 100.
Okay, half.
Yeah.
Okay. Well done work.
Thank you.
If they weave for there now, you want draw, you go drag them from there.
Yeah. All of them are the same.
But now see they do this one.
Yeah, this one I will do.
Now they do.
Yeah, back.
But this one no be machine, no.
No, this one not a machine, a hand.
Na hand.
Yeah. This one a hand.
And na design they take they do this one.
And the design. All of
Na
them.
bag.
Bag. They call it bag. Traditional bag.
Traditional bag.
Yeah.
Which people they carry?
Anybody, any tribe, we in like them. We carry am.
Any tribe you like am carry?
Not the only TB. Any tribe we like am, carry am.
Okay, any tribe you carry am?
Yeah. That's traditional.
Like this.
Yeah.
Well done. This one is pop for ground. Okay.
This one is allo.
Where? Okay, Now see they do this one.
Yeah, now we will do one. If you carry, take this one, then you carry this one.
Okay. You don't complete
That
so.
complete.
You carry the bag, wear the
bag.
clothes, then carry the arrow.
Yeah.
Now you say don't complete full tip man.
Yeah.
Wow. What does this one mean?
No, that one I don't know.
Thank you. You're really a traditional man. You sabi everything.
Complete one.
Complete one. Okay, this one no be tribe clothes.
This one not a tribe code.
Okay, that person give you major one for them.
Yeah. The tribe one is this one.
But this blue now, which people they wear this one?
This one from Taraba State. That Mumuye.
Okay, Mumuye people.
Yeah.
And then you get this one.
Yeah. And that and Jukum with Kutef, they use this thing.
Hey. Now well done, no. See work. Hey. So now they buy the rope like this, big like this.
after we buy that small thread where I show you there, then we will roll it. If you pass at this, I will show you how we
How
do
do
it.
you roll it?
Uh,
Brother, well done. Good afternoon.
that's it.
Well done, sir.
Thank you.
How you dey?
Thank God.
Well done work. Oh.
Thank God.
I dey see unique work wey una get. When I dey do, I say make I come visit una.
Okay.
Well done work. How long wey you don dey do this thing?
Hi.
How long wey you don dey do this thing? You don tey wey you start dey do this work?
The thing does stay. I start the work like 1998.
1998.
Yes.
And since then you dey do am reach now. Na from this work I dey train your children.
That's it.
Where you learn the work?
I don't learn for Shongo local government. My dear, I don't learn.
Na you do all this one say dey.
Yes, na me do one.
This one fine, you know.
So this one Ogoja one. This one from Ogoja.
Ogoja.
Yes. So this one from Chief. This black and white. So even this one from all the Benue where they use am. Yes, na Benue color be this. See the Idoma, see the Igede, the Chief. This one na Nigeria color.
Come this am together.
Yes.
Presenting Benue. What is our wear now?
Na Ange.
Ange.
Na black and white. Na TV one be this.
Okay, yeah, well done.
Thank you.
Right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
After you don't do am like this, you go come put am for where?
Yes, I can't arrange on this one.
Okay, come arrange am like this.
Can't arrange on like this.
How many boys say you don train for this work?
Oh, he did like 20. Oh.
Yeah.
Don't train at 20. So this is my son.
Your son?
Yes. Sandy. Those two.
Where you born for your?
My.
You can't teach them the work.
I can't learn now. So that he might go.
He use and they help himself.
Yes.
This one what they do here now, your son.
This woman our son. Even this woman, the second one, not the first one. Oh. The first one don't go somewhere.
And all of them sabi do the work.
Oh.
So how long did it take person to learn this work?
4 months.
4 months.
Yes.
Only 4 months.
Yes, 4 months like that. The person will feel sabi the work.
They do am.
Yes.
Like how much they sell one like this, one wrapper?
One wrapper like this na 12,000. The other one is 15,000. So this one na 12,000. Like this one na 10,000. This one a small one. So this one a big one.
For the cap, how much you sell the
The
cap?
cap na 2,000.
But women, they learn this work. Woman feel learn this work.
Yes, woman they feel learn am.
Because as I dey look here, I no see woman, no.
You know there, but you don't learn am finish.
Okay, woman don learn finish before.
Yes.
Now this machine, our papa them those days, forefathers, they use they sew their clothes those days.
Na so. So this one na my engine here. Oh. So this one, all those things where they here na my own. The thing where we do am.
And you say that one where the son and your son.
Yes.
Man. Hey. My brother, well done. Oh.
Thank you.
How you dey?
I'm doing fine.
Hey. Well done work.
Thank you.
How long you don do this work now?
8 years.
8 years.
Yes.
So you start when you dey small dey do am.
Yes.
How many years wey you dey now?
16.
16 years. And your papa teach you.
Yes.
Your papa teach you the work.
Yes.
How many wey you dey produce a day?
Like 3 or 2.
Wey you dey produce a day?
Yes. 3 or 2.
3 or 2.
Yes.
Depending on how your strength dey.
Yes.
How many people you don dey teach?
No, I don't teach any person.
You dey still dey learn from your papa.
Yes.
You sabi do too? You no sabi do? Yes. You no wan learn? Well done work.
Thank you.
So if you do different type,
Yes, any type we bring, I fit do am.
any type wey they bring go fit do am.
Yes.
Well done. Ma see this thing. Yeah. Well done. Hey, Oma. Hard work dey. According to what I found out here, this was the kind of machine our forefathers were using then to make their clothes in the olden days. Before we will start having this new generation machine of a thing now that we use in making our clothes. This is what our forefathers were using in the olden days to make the clothes that they wear in the olden days then. And these people that see practicing this thing very well, they're still using it to make good money, to take care of their family and all that. So according to them, they said they make different kind of clothes for different tribes, like the one I'm putting on, even the one we call akwamiri. If you look at it, look at how they place it, very long. And according to them, they said they can produce like 3 of this big wrapper in a day, that they sell in different prices. They have the one of 12,000, 15,000, and 10,000, depending on the quality you want. I was passing and I saw this thing and I was like, let me branch to see what these people are doing. How come? Because I've been seeing this stuff, I've been using it for some days. Even the one I have that we call akwamiri and all that, but I don't know how they do this stuff to them. But I know that there's one they do with hand, like, but they're using their olden days machine pattern to produce their own. That this is what our forefathers were using then to prepare to make the clothes they were wearing in the olden days. They don't want to live the olden days way. This is interesting. This is interesting. I love this. Wow, I love this. Woo. This is culture, man. When you talk of tradition, our forefathers were really into tradition. They had their own way of making their clothes they were wearing in those days. If you look at that machine, you see that it looks like this normal machine that we use now, but there's a way they did it, and they use their hands to make that machine. They use hand to make that machine. It's not something that you go to the market that you must buy the material for the machine. They consult wood and use it to produce that machine that they use it to make different color of this clothes here, that they design different colors. Culture is good. Culture is good. Culture is, but those that I see practicing the olden days culture that did not live our forefathers way, they are enjoying from it. Making 3 wrappers in a day, selling at the rate of 15,000 per one. And like the other man that has about 3 children that are helping him, assisting him, just calculated that they're making good money to earn a living in a local way without looking for a way to buy engine oil to put inside the machine to see if it seizes or anything. You can use your hand to construct it, not going to look for a mechanic to repair your machine for you. You can do it, you can provide anything you need. Just go inside the bush, cut your tree or anything to use, and there's life here. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. I still remember getting my arts and crafts. Thank you. Wow, this is interesting. Culture is life. Culture is the full way of life.